Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can add a YouTube account on your TikTok account, since most people ends up not knowing how to add a YouTube channel on their TikTok, since what they all do is to add a YouTube channel but not knowing how to add a YouTube account. It's simple, simply start by opening TikTok. Then after having it open, simply go on the profile menu. For those who didn't know, when your TikTok account has been added to your account, your YouTube link simply adds up here, so to add it, simply click on Edit Profile. Then after having it opened, simply slide down on this button called Add a YouTube Account. Then after doing that, you can see that here are all the emails you have in your phone, so simply click on the one that has a YouTube account you want to link your TikTok with. So simply click on it, and now as you can see you have been given a permission requirement that if you are sure to link up your YouTube and TikTok, which means by clicking on your YouTube button that on TikTok, will suddenly open you to your YouTube account, so simply click on Allow. And now as you can see your YouTube account has been added TikTok, and if you click on this button, you will see that it's been automatically added to your TikTok. And as you can see here you got an email saying that your YouTube account has been linked to TikTok. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.